The Airity replacement filter set is designed to work seamlessly with the IQAir HealthPro series air purifier, ensuring your home stays free from dust and dirt. These high-quality filters are excellent at capturing allergens, gases, odors, and pet hairs, making them perfect for households with pets or individuals with allergies. The longevity of the filters is impressive, with recommendations to replace the prefilter every 12 to 18 months, the activated carbon filter every 2 years, and the HEPA 13 filter every 2 to 4 years. Each package includes 3 filters, one for the prefilter, one for the activated carbon filter, and one for the HEPA 13 filter, offering great value for maintaining air quality. While these are not OEM filters, they provide a cost-effective alternative without compromising on performance standards. However, it is important to note that using these non-OEM filters may void any existing manufacturer warranties on your IQAir HealthPro series air purifier.